Okay, welcome back. There's a couple things that we need to discuss before we go to cut this thing. On the print, I've actually made some notes on my print of the X0 and the Y0 where I wanted to be. And you want to come down in Y 3 inches, and then you want to go X counterclockwise, or some people call it anti-clockwise, but counterclockwise is the way you want to turn the handle to go that direction. And then when you get to X 1.250, you want to take the Y-axis and go counterclockwise to go up all the way to 1.0625, and then X-axis clockwise on the way out. Make all these notes on your print, that way that you don't have any mistakes made, such as like this one here, where somebody went and they just kind of kept on going, and then anyway, it was a mistake and it ruins the part. So from that point on, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start cutting. Okay, this is part 2. We're going to start cutting this. There's a couple things that you need to know before you start cutting. Your depth of cut cannot be more than half the cutter, and I'm using a 1/2 inch cutter. I want to leave a little bit for a cleanup cut at the very end, so I can take it and make nice clean edges. But the depth of the cut, you don't want to go past the all the way down all the way at one time. You want to leave a little bit at the very, very end, so that the piece, it'll start wobbling around, it'll break a cutter or something. So you want to just take nice cuts and make nice clean passes. So we're going to take a little bit of a cut here and see what happens. So I'm leaving a little bit. I'm leaving 50 thousandths for a cleanup pass. Always lock the axis that you're not using. I'm going to come in with watch the DRO. I'm going to come in into 1 inch 200. I'm going to lock the X-axis. I always cue up the or the Y-axis and then go the other way. I'm going to go to 1/100. Unlock the X and come on out. Then you just start making successive cuts and bring it down until it's done.